Okay, now.
Alright, tell them what you're about to do.
We're gonna do slime with our phone. Slime water. And
Hold this too.
and peas.
How do I? Here, let me see this one.
This.
1 teaspoon.
Oh, you're not starting. And you're doing this.
Hold on, you have to put this in here first.
This.
It goes in here, right?
This.
I need like a spoon or something.
Mix it with that.
Huh?
Mix it with
Mix it with
that.
this.
Okay, let's do this.
Hold on.
And we're gonna put our bowl. Let's go water. And you're not doing this.
I
You're
can't
gonna
even
do
tell. There's nothing in
corn. What is more actually? This, that, and this. All the same in together.
there. Okay, so I think that's good. No, leave it, Mama. It says 1/2 cup of glue add to the bowl. So, yeah. So, 1/2
That's for me.
cup. Hold on. You have to put a whole 1/2 cup of it. I think that's fine. So we're gonna dump it here. Okay, grab it and dump it in your bowl. Make sure all of it's in there. Don't make a mess. You could dab it on your lip. Like that.
Okay, that's fine. You just do this. Okay, so now, get your bowl, Mommy. Okay, you gotta get your bowl. Let's see if there's enough to make for this. Here, I got hold on. So, I'm gonna put it in here for you and you dump it, okay? Hopefully it's enough. Yeah, that's enough. No, it still needs a little bit. Don't drop it, okay? Because that's going to be for Janelle's bowl. Here, let me see. Don't spill it. Let me see. Let it go. Okay. Okay, ready? You get to dump it. Go. This is for you. Hold it and dump it in your bowl. In your bowl. Okay. Okay, so that's that. Okay. Move that out of the way. And then next it says 1/2 cup of shaving cream. So now we're gonna use this same one. Let me see, is it open already? No, it isn't open.
Ready? So now we gotta put shaving cream and it says it's 1/2 cup.
Oh, it's like a chicken pull pie. Like an ice cream and stuff. Okay.
Go, dump it in there.
Just let's do it. Okay, that should be fine. Ready? You gotta fill it up. Here, you can dump it in there, okay? Here, let me help you. Here, let me see how you do it. Ready? Here, where's that? You didn't do this, right? Okay, ready? We're gonna use it. It's not ice cream. It's shaving cream. It's supposed to go in here. Sorry. A little bit more. Here, hold this. Don't dip it in there. Okay. Next
It
is
says
take a piece of
it says 1/2 cup of hand soap. So it's gonna be this one and this we're gonna try to combine.
oopsie daisy. Stick it all up. You're sure.
Okay. So now let's see, give me this. It's gonna be still 1/2
I
cup.
want to do it, Mommy.
Anyway, let's start. is perfect.
Can I do it?
Yeah, I'm gonna give it to you so you can dump it.
Okay.
Okay.
Here, take it. Dump it in there, but be careful. Okay. Here, mommy. You wanna do it? Hold on to this. Dump it in there. Good job. Got it? Now pizza. So now what's this? Okay, next it says mix together. Jerry, is there anything we need? Or we'll just mix all this. No, mommy, don't do it on your clothes. Here, sit down. You wanna mix it? Here, let me get this one. Here, mix. Go, get it? You want me to help you? Let me see. Let me see. Go like this. And you gotta mix. Ooh, you see that? That's it. You gotta mix it good. Good. See? It's becoming purple. I want purple. Hey, you're gonna do this.
And then we're gonna need. Where's the little tiny teaspoon? Let me see.
Mix it.
Okay, no, mommy. That's enough. You don't need no more glue. Okay, sit down, mama. Okay, ready? Mix it a little bit more. Let me see. I do it for you. Look, you see, it's already becoming kind of light. You see?
Fluid.
You see, it comes out.
It comes out with fluid.
You see? Okay, so now we're gonna need the cornstarch.
I'll do it.
Spread it in there.
Huh? Okay. Just 1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon.
That's a lot more than one.
So Janelle. There you go. Now the next thing says add a couple of pumps of body lotion. So we're using this Victoria's Secret.
I know to do it.
So we'll do one. Wait, because you're gonna put too much.
I just put one.
I don't know. That's enough.
Just to make it smell good.
Okay. And then it says add another teaspoon of broth. Add 1 teaspoon of broth a little bit at a time.
Oh yeah. So add this. Yeah, it says 1 teaspoon. So you gotta clean it.
Okay.
So,
Is it here?
if it cleans it, yeah.
Yeah, that's good. Okay, so now we're gonna use this. And it says 1 teaspoon. So we'll do 1.
2.
Oh, I kind of spilled that. Okay, so now it says once the mixture starts to thicken, take it out of the bowl and work it with your hand. So that's it.
Yeah, so mix it.
So now we're gonna mix this all together.
And you go like this and put another over there.
So pretty soon you're gonna be using your hands.
Add another spoon. Add another teaspoon.
Of this? Okay, I'm gonna add another one, so hopefully, let me see. This one? No, that's not the right one. So, I'm gonna try it again.
Chip.
Gotta add the color.
On all of it?
You're supposed to add the color already.
Like
Right
3.
there. Right after that, you're supposed to add the color.
So hopefully it works.
It looks like blood.
So now, put it down.
It looks like blood. I mean, it looks like blood. Blood.
Both of you guys is gonna be. Oh no, Janelle's will do a different color. That way you can have different colors. Let's go on.
Take it out. Take it out and mix it with your hands.
Okay.
Mix it with your hands.
Let me do Janelle's first now. Before I start to do. Okay, let me have this.
Okay, mommy.
Okay,
Look at
so
Janelle, I made pink
Janelle.
slime.
What do we do? Add the color, right? We'll do blue. Because we already did pink, so let's do blue or this one. Which one?
Or purple.
Purple? Blue.
Yeah, pink.
No, we already did pink. You want to do
Purple?
this one or blue? Blue. Okay, so we're going to do blue. So 1, 2. Be super blue. Okay.
Okay, now you put it with your hands and mix it. Oh. Mommy. Hurry up.
Okay, look. Now you gotta mix yours. Mix.
She mixed her hands. Thank you. Look.
Hold on, Mama.
Whoa, so blue. I started like rainbow and stuff.
I think we need to add
More blue.
more of that. It's not thick enough. So
Okay.
okay, so we're gonna try to mix it some more. Okay, let it go. So I can mix it. Okay.
Oh, now something next. What, mommy? What is it? Blue again.
Oh, it's becoming more thick. Mommy, be careful. You're gonna fall. So now what? We use the hands, right?
I have blue.
Yeah.
My hands. I have blue too.
Okay, you guys ready to mix them
Yeah.
with your hands?
Yeah.
Okay, sit down, please. Here, let me fix your chair.
Okay.
Okay, ready? So you guys are gonna put your hands in it and mix it like that.
Okay. Can we do it?
Ready?
Yeah.
Go. Go, you can put your hands in it.
Okay.
And you just mix it with your hands. You want me to help you? Let me take off.
Take it out.
I can't.
Can't take it out?
It's getting back in.
Let's see. I'll put no. What did it say?
If the mixture starts to get a little bit more, keep putting the mixture. So keep adding this. So we're gonna keep adding this.
Let's see.
Look. Let me mix more, okay?
Just mix it with your hands.
Oh.
Let's see. Put it down. Put it down.
Okay, let me get this.
Stick on my hands. Stick on me.
Okay, let me see.
Look, it's stuck on my hands. I can't take it off. It's stuck on Janelle's hands.
Here, let me take this out. Okay, there. So let me see the next.
Look at you.
Just put it down so I can put this down.
Mommy.
Okay.
Don't mix it.
You gotta mix it like this.
Mix it with your hands on. Mix the whole thing.
Hold on, let me see.
See, like, Juju's is starting to become less sticky.
Let me mix it more, okay? Give me hands.
Let me see your hands.
Look.
Look, your mom.
Look, I got my slime out. It's so good.
Let me see. Pull it apart.
Like this, mommy, look.
Look,
You gotta go like this.
that.
Pull it apart. Not all the way, but just mix. You want me to go help you?
So that way it's not sticky anymore.
Look, it's all coming out of my hand.
Isn't it supposed to be sticky?
Well, sticky, but not sticky that where it's sticking to your skin.
Let me see.
Can't do it.
That's how my friends were.
Let it go.
She
Wait,
gave me some
open your
slime
hand.
and
Open your
they
hand.
were sticking to my hand.
I can't do it.
Hold on, on, look. I'm trying to take it out as much as I can off my hand. So I can
My hand still.
my hand hurts.
I want to do purple one.
I know, we gotta do more though. But you know what? I don't know if we're gonna. Yeah, I think one more, huh?
Yeah. Most likely. Should have bought the bigger jugs.
Yeah.
Well, don't we have some in there?
Blue, I think so. I'm trying to take it out of my hand. You having trouble there? You need help? Here. Put on her hands, that way she can get it off. See, because I got it out of my hands.
Smells good.
It smells like delicious.
Get the big one next, Daddy. Look, if I smell it.
Mix it.
Oh, mix it.
You need help?
I need more. It's stuck on my hand still. And how
Now mix it. Mix it. Pick it up and mix it.
There we go.
There you go. Grab all the ones around the bowl. Look at all this right here around the bowl.
Look, I'm gonna just open your hands. I'm
Put it on the table. Just put it on the table.
Look, let me see. Don't touch it on my face.
Pull it apart. Now mix it. Mix it.
Wait.
This is perfect.
Ah, stop.
Look.
Pull it apart. Pull it apart.
Cool. Look.
Like that.
Whoa.
Mommy, the first one, Mommy, look at
Okay, here. Now you can look at it. Now let's make more on this bowl.
I want to make purple.
Here, Mia. Okay, I'm gonna do
I want to
my
go show Leah.
um.
I want to go show Leah.
Huh?
This way. Okay, give me. Can I go show Leah? Pull that side.
So it's half a cup of glue.
We're gonna do this all over again with another color. So glue.
Can I do green?
We're gonna do purple. And if we have enough for another one, or if we can find more glue, we'll do the other one. So it's the glue.
I want to go show Leah.
I don't know those lights
Can I
now.
go show Leah?
Shaving cream. It'll be
Can I go
half a
show
cup.
Leah?
We just got
Can I go
this.
show Leah?
It could be any shaving cream.
Can I go show Leah, Mommy?
Sure, go.
Foamy type of shaving cream. That way your slime's fluffy.
Sure.
The texture of the slime be a little more fluffy.
I'm gonna take Janelle. Okay, so after that, handful. It's also
Half a cup.
of this.
Half a cup of hand soap.
Together.
Make blue one?
I'm gonna make another one.
Purple one?
Maybe green.
Hey, 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 hey.
I want a purple one because I like purple.
So you gotta mix it until it looks like that.
A teaspoon cornstarch.
This.
Just some ordinary cornstarch you can find in your local stores.
I got most of the stuff at Target.
Yeah, we got most of the stuff from Target except the food coloring. We bought it from Walmart.
And then after that one, lotion. We used about 4 little drops of lotion.
The lotion is just added so that your slime smells good. And it doesn't smell just all like glue and all these other ingredients you just added to it.
We're gonna mix it up then, okay? So after the cornstarch and lotion,
You add food
the
coloring.
color. What color should we do? Green or purple?
So we're gonna do purple, right?
Purple. We'll do purple.
Yeah.
So 1, 2, just a couple drops work. Now you mix it.
You guys having fun?
Janelle, why did you stick it?
Leave it, it's fine.
It's fine.
So this is still not that, so you gotta add this part. So at the beginning you add water, you have a cup of water, and you have to add this thing we bought, borax, I think. And you add, how much do we add? A teaspoon. So this one. And you'll just keep adding for the consistency, is that it? For it to be thick, so we'll do 2 because we have to use like 3.
It's not. This isn't for the consistency to be thick. This is made for you add the borax mixed water into the bowl. That way the stickiness,
So it won't be sticky for it to not be sticky. That's what it is.
so the consistency becomes less sticky.
Right there. I'm losing it. She's losing purple.
This kind of looks a little bit like pink, you know? What if we had more, no? So maybe it'll add color.
Well, I mean, it's a neon type of purple, so it won't look as purple.
There you go. Now it's getting better. Your hands are dirty? Okay, so my hands
Look at Daddy. Daddy, look.
That's weird.
So these are all neon colors.
Yeah. So the only one we need is green now. We should make green though. You don't have to.
Now my hands got
I know I have. Don't they
Now
have?
my hands
I think this should be okay.
Look it.
Go, Mom. Go, Mom.
It's thick of you. I hope this doesn't know. That's cool. At first it feels kind of like slimy, but the thing feels good afterwards. Yeah, okay. Let me see your hands so I can try to take it off. Put your hands like this.
The purple one is not good. First step. You get this one. It's stuck on
I
my
get this one?
shirt.
So this pretty much concludes
It's stuck on me.
our slime video. You know, we got pink here, purple here, got a blue, and then we got green in the making. So this is how the slime's looking.
Looking cool.
Let me see. I want to see, Mommy. I want to see.
So you know,
Who's the pink
if you
one?
ever want to make slime for your kids, instead of buying it. Have a little fun. Just do the same thing we did, or look up other YouTube videos. Look up other YouTube videos of people making slime. It's all different ways you can make slime. This is the way we chose to make it, and you can see how it looks. It's the pink one. It's not as slimy, I guess. There's the purple.
Put some more of the pink. Get up the teaspoon and give me some more of that thing.
That one's still sticky, so we'll have to add another teaspoon of the borax solution that we made. So that way it's a little less sticky. And yeah, that's it. I mean, look at that. The other two is only one that's still sticky. So, I mean, it's fun.
This one feels weird. It's like breaking. Oh no, there it goes. Look.
That's it for the video. So hope you enjoyed what we created. Cause these two sure did have a little fun making this. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Until next time. So what would you like to tell them?
Thank you for my channel.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching me.
Thank you for watching our channel. Hope you enjoyed.
Okay. And please subscribe in our channel.
Please subscribe.
Please
Leave a comment. And what?
Comment
And what?
and think about the thumbs up.
And give a thumbs up. Alright. Till next time.
Mommy,